So there are now literally hundreds of studies published every year showing the benefits of meditation, the benefits for our health, for our sense of mental well-being. Change Your Mind is a 28-day course that helps you to experience those benefits. So in this course we'll be exploring two fundamental meditation practices from the Buddhist tradition. One practice helps us to develop the quality of mindfulness, which allows us to be present with and to observe our experience. And the other practice helps us to bring more kindness and patience and acceptance into our lives. So as a result of participating in this course, you will probably find that you're able to deal with stressful situations more easily, that you're able to be more patient, more forgiving and kinder to yourself and others. You'll probably find that you have a greater sense of being in control of yourself. And you might even find that your life seems more meaningful and purposeful. So I invite you to join me for this exploration of meditation. Change your mind.